Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 23 working on Project Betty, the 76 Monarch. On day 22, I painted it. Painted it white. Of course, I do have my usual imperfections. A little sag there. And there's, little sags here and there. It's all right. This is supposed to be a beater car, and it's not going to be a perfect paint job. You can see, I think, reflections in the paint of all the dust that's in it. And that's what happens when you paint in a dusty garage. That's all right. That can be sanded out. And this is probably the worst sag I have is right through here. Passenger side under the little window. Overall, I'm happy with it. I expect this stuff because I kind of get rushed when I paint things. The dust I expect because, look at this place. I mean, everything in here is just dust. Yeah. So, what I'm going to be doing next is this cowl panel. I painted it once before. I used a Wimbledon white paint, which is a creamier white than this. This is a fleet white. And this, I guess I can open it up and show you what I'm talking about. Camera picks it up from here. See the hood, the fender is a whiter white, more like the door. This is a creamier white or a yellowy white. I still have some white paint mixed up from yesterday when I sprayed this, so I'm going to sand that down, paint that cowl so it'll actually match better. It's going to be a brighter white, but it's the way it is. Beater car. I'm going to get to it. I cut out the plastic in this area and I taped it all down. Now I'm going to clean this. Take a Scotch-Brite, scuff it up real good, squirt it. I scrubbed it real good with a gray Scotch-Brite pad. Now I'm going to take the pad, I'm going to go by hand around those windshield wiper divots. I have that done. I'm going to clean it up real good now, get my paint out, and squirt it. Time to spray it. There's no need for me to get all suited up. I'm only going to be spraying for a little bit. Should be set from yesterday. On the other side here. That's for sure a scuff and shoot there. So now I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. Then I'll hit it with another coat. But there's no need to watch that. It's going to be the same thing. Bye. I sprayed 2 coats on the cowl. It's dry now because that was a while ago. It looks good. Of course, it's got my usual dust specks in the paint. That's okay, that can be sanded out. Next, I'll be pulling off the paper and tape on the windows. I need to go get some undercoating, spray in the wheel wells, and all that where the white overspray got, because that was all nice and shiny black from the Z-Mart. Yeah, let's see what else. Oh, I gotta sand out the runs. I don't know if they're hard enough for me to do that. I can stick my thumbnail into that. So I don't think it's hard enough to sand on yet. I'll keep plugging away at it. Gotta do a lot of untaping and unplasticking. I don't anticipate a lot of problems getting the tape and plastic off, but you never know. Some places it'd be wise to take like a razor blade and cut, not back here, but I'm just as an example. If there's a lot of paint covering an edge, you can cut with a razor blade before you peel the tape off, because sometimes if you peel the tape off, it can take off some of the paint that you just put on, because the paint isn't cured yet. I mean, it's dry, but it's not cured. So I'll be careful pulling some of the tape off there. That's going to take some time, and it's could be a gooey mess too. We'll find out soon, like now. Uh-oh, Bunny. Looks like there's a problem. I took the mirror in and got the computer color match to the mirror, which matches the car. This white is supposed to be this white. You can clearly see it's not. It's a much brighter white. And, that doesn't, yeah. So it looks like I get to paint the rest of the car. Paint 2 mirrors, 2 fenders, a hood, and the other door, front grille surround. I'm gonna have to go buy more paint, and I sure hope I can get this white. Should be able to, because I have the can with the code on it, and plus it's on file up there. But I was not expecting this, not at all. I mean, this looks like crap color wise. So looks like Betty, you're getting a fresh coat of paint. Fun, fun, fun. So much fun in Dan's messy garage. I know something I'm going to do. I'm going to say this is the end of this episode, working on the 76 Monarch. I thought it would just be me painting the cowl vent screen, but now I need to do some contemplating here. So thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage. I believe it was day 23, working on Project Betty, the 76 Mercury Monarch. Stay tuned to episode 24. I should have some more knowledge and information on what I'm going to do and when. Bye.